You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Hi you guys, welcome to today's vlog. As you've already read from the title, today is going to be a big day because I have decided to get microblading. Oh my god, it's scary to even say that. For those of you guys who don't know, I have no tattoos, no piercings, except for my ears that was pierced when I was little. And I thank God for that because I probably would have never pierced it as an adult. But I have decided to get microblading because these are my eyebrows, y'all. Not really, they're filled in, but these are what they look like when they're filled in. But let me tell you, sis, this is a long process. This is one of my least favorite part of doing my makeup. You guys know that I do YouTube and I'm also a very girly girl, so I like to wear makeup a lot. And this just takes up so much of my time and I just don't like it. So I have been really thinking and contemplating and, just trying to see what is the best way to get out of this, and microblading or micro shading is the best result. I have been doing my research. I've looked everywhere. I've been considering this for a very long time, y'all. This is not just a I don't know, spur of a moment kind of thing. This is something I've really put some thought into, and I have decided I'm just gonna do it. So I was looking online, I was looking on Instagram, and I found this really great person. I actually found a few people, but the reason this person stuck out to me was their ability to really explain everything to me. She went ahead and explained every single thing because I only ever see before and after pictures. You never really see the in between and the the healing process and all of that. The first time she ever talked to me, she and I actually talked for close to 20 to 30 minutes, and she just took her time and explained everything to me. Usually people just tell you, go to my website and read that. Now, I don't know if she does that to all her clients, but she did it to me, and that's what sold me. Her name is April. She's actually on Instagram, and I'm gonna show you guys all of this, and I'm gonna have you guys meet her if she allows me to film. But she was really great at explaining everything, and it just made me feel more empowered and enlightened, and that is what made me decide to go with her. And she also told me that she does a lot of nurses, which is a great thing because if I know anything about nurses, they don't play when it comes to infection control. They are serious. So she was telling me that she does a whole bunch of nurses and nurse practitioners. So I was like, yeah, this is my girl. My appointment is actually at 2 today. So right now, I just actually came from another appointment, but my microblading appointment is gonna be at 2, and I have to take off all my makeup. I have to wash my face because I can't have any makeup on. And for the past few days, I haven't been able to drink any coffee. I haven't been able to take my multivitamins. I haven't been able to eat any kind of seafood. So yeah, those are the things you have to do right before your procedure. I say procedure like it's a plastic surgery procedure, but I feel like this is a big procedure for me because, like I said, this is the first time that I would be doing anything remotely close to invasive as far as, breaking the skin or anything like that. So yeah, I'm very nervous. And for those of you guys who have always asked me if I've had any plastic surgery, the answer is no. I am not against plastic surgery at all. I am not against anybody doing anything to their body to either improve their self-esteem or their physical appearance or their mood or anything like that, because it is their body. You don't know what kind of trauma that person is going through, what kind of insecurity they have, or even if they don't have insecurity, that is their business, that is their money, and that is their body. The best thing we can do as decent humans is to either support them or maybe give our opinion in the most respectful and supportive way possible, or educate them if you feel like they're not educated as far as to what they're trying to do. That's the only thing I try to do. I just try to educate people, and I try to tell them, tell those people all your medical issues. If you're taking any medications, if you have any medical situations or issues, be honest and tell them, because your life literally depends on it. But yeah, I'm not against plastic surgery. I don't know, if I get older and I need to do something, I'm definitely going to do it because, again, like I said, it's my body, it's my money, and I don't think anybody should be judged for what they want to do to enhance their appearance. That's up to them to decide. So yeah, but I don't know about surgery for me, but Microblading is gonna be my very first any kind of procedure. But anyways, like I said, I have to wash my face, I have to wash my makeup off, I have to be completely clean as far as my skin goes. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I think I'm gonna be taking my little sister with me because she's gonna be the one filming for me, I think. I don't even know if they're gonna allow that, but if they do, I'll be happy because she'll be there filming for me. So yeah, I'm gonna go get ready and I'm gonna go, but I'm finally gonna get this microblading thing done and I'll be happy that it's over.
Any allergies to lidocaine or epinephrine? Are you nervous?
Kind of.
This is your first tattoo.
My first painful anything. Well, except for popping a baby out. That was kind of painful.
Go over here. This is just so I can... You know you want to clip with this part?
Mm-hmm.
This is a sensitive part. Think about something happy. Like beaches. We're almost through the tail. You ready?
Yeah.
You can hold the mirror closer. Pull it closer to you. Closer. 1, 2.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
So family, I ended up deciding that I wanted the tips to extend out a little more. So I ended up calling April and she booked me for another appointment to perfect it. I know I look crazy right now, but it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. This is just the map. All right, family, so it is the very next day after our microblade. By the way, I'm standing in front of Nadia's room. She literally just woke up. Yes, so it is the very next day after my microblading, and I just wanted to show you guys my, I guess, early results. But you guys, look at this. This, you guys, is complete perfection. April did a wonderful job, and I would, oh my God, I get to wake up every single morning looking like this. I had a love-hate relationship with my eyebrows just because when I was younger, I already said this, but when I was younger, I used to shave them off because at the time, the very, very thin eyebrows were, I guess, the thing. So I used to shave them off, and then at a certain point, they were like, we're not gonna grow anymore. So they used to grow and stop like right here. And then the rest wouldn't have anything. So whenever I would go to do my makeup, that would be the thing that I would spend the most time on. And I'm talking 10 to 20 minutes at times. And then sometimes I have to wipe them off and start over because I didn't like the shape or the style or whatever. But now I get to wake up like this. I'm gonna leave all her info down below and I highly, highly recommend her. If you're in the Columbus area, or even if you're out of state, if you need your eyebrows done by a professional, by someone who really knows what they're doing, get with April. She is the GOAT. Like, she is the best, okay? That's my girl. Like, I was really nervous about doing this at first, but she just made the process so easy. So easy. And she made me feel welcomed and comfortable, and she's so relatable. I could go on forever, but it is about my eyebrows. I'm not allowed to put any kind of makeup or anything on it for at least, what was it? A few weeks, actually. Yeah, or until the scabbing stops. Okay, the whole healing takes about 6 weeks. So after 6 weeks, I'll have my final result. It has stages that it goes through. So it has the dark stage, the light stage. I think I'm in the dark stage right now, if I'm not mistaken. She has the whole, like, I have a whole thing that outlines everything that's going to happen, what I'm going to experience, what to do when this happens. She has a whole paper that tells you everything. So I have to go through it. But I just know that it takes 6 weeks to see your final result. But so far, I am in love. Like, again, I get to wake up like this every single morning. By the way, I have to go do my nails. I don't want to... What are you talking about, girlfriend? Look, Nadia, what are you talking about? What are you doing with mommy's bag? Nadia? Can you put mommy's bag down? Anyway, I have to go do... Say hi, friends. Say hi, friends. Say hi, friends. Nadia? Say hi, aunties. Say hi, aunties. You want to say hi to your aunties? No, she don't want to. I have to go do my nails because look at this. I don't want to flip you guys off, but you can tell which one needs to be done. I mean, the whole thing needs to be done, but you can tell which one's... You can tell which one came off. Yeah, so I need to go fix that stat.